Goeiedag, dit is Frieske Rieder here with today a little game. So first a little background story. So I've been a member of a Dutch riding community, riding/biker community for 4 years now. And if you are a Dutch person watching this, especially if you are a Dutch rider watching this, the Dutch came out there. If you are a Dutch rider watching this, I would totally recommend and invite you to the motor-forum community, because it's really nice. If you have technical questions, you can ask those as well, although I would say that the technical part of the motor-forum is a bit toxic, to say the least, but overall it's a very nice and welcoming forum, and pretty much everyone riding bikes, it doesn't matter what type of bike you ride, is pretty much welcome, and also pretty much has its own topic on motor-forum. Now there's also an off-topic section on the motor-forum where they play a little game, and it's basically hide and seek, but with a plastic bottle. So the rules are pretty simple. One person has to hide the bottle at a certain location. Then he has to give hints as to where the location, where the bottle is hidden right now. And then the next person, then the rest has to find it based on the hints that were given. And after that, it's playing time. So for example, I could hide the bottle right over here at this little house at this villa, and then the person I gave a hint, like it's on this road, yada yada yada, and then the next person or the other persons get to seek, and once they know where it is, that's called a digifind. You can also ride out on your motorcycle and get the plastic bottle. Now normally the bottle is in the west of the country, pretty far away from my home. Usually it's around 200 kilometers away, except this time it's only an hour's drive away, so it's an easy job to just ride out and get it. To be fair, I did lose the game out of sight, just because it's in the west all the time. And I've also been playing with the idea to come get it out of the west, but the problem with that is that it's at least a 2-hour drive for me. The danger in that is that the bottle gets taken away before I arrive, effectively meaning I'm too late. And it has happened in the past, and I wouldn't want to come too late. But once again, not this time, because this time it's in the north and it's not too far away. So I know where it is. It's located in the Pagenplas in Stadskanaal, which is a city. Gas in the ground below. Not sure why there were so many signs there, but cool, so cool. I'm gonna be on Google Maps or Bing Maps, one of those. So I'm getting close to the destination now. According to the TomTom rider, it's only 2 kilometers away now. So if I'm not mistaken, the part where the bottle is hidden is not accessible by motorcycle, not entirely accessible, so it's possible I'm gonna have to take a little stroll. Depending on how crowded the place is, I might be a naughty boy and just drive a motorcycle over there. Not sure if this was what I meant. Oh, it is. Look, that's the bridge. Or rather, that's a bridge. So it is kind of crowded. It's a straight little bridge near the frog. Right then, let's take a little stroll. I get the feeling that I'm taking the long route there, but that's okay. I see the frog. Truly a rare specimen. I don't think you can find these giant frogs anywhere else in the Netherlands. So if you're blind, it's that one. Now this is the dreaded bridge. Or dreaded. This is the bridge I'm looking for. If I'm not mistaken, at one of the points, there's a bottle here somewhere. Oh, looking at the wrong place. All right, here it is. Can already see the string. Hey! Alright, so now we're back at the motorcycle. So now what am I gonna do is sign the paper. There's 3 pens in there. See, the plastic bottle committee has got some sponsors now. Ooh, there's even a Belgian one. Cool. The date, I think it's the 22nd, not 21st. So 2/1/2019. My motor-forum screen name. And the location. Curl it back up, put it back into the bottle, along with the pen. So now we take a picture. So now I'm gonna go back home and think about a new spot to hide it at. I'm not gonna show that one, of course, because else everybody's gonna cheat. So that's the game. Thanks for watching. See you next time.